Welcome. If you've ever saved posts on Instagram and later realized you want to tidy up, this quick guide shows you exactly how to remove posts from a saved collection. It's updated to reflect the latest app layout, so you'll navigate with ease. First, open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, look to the top right and tap the menu to access more options. In the menu that appears, select Saved. This is where all your saved posts live, grouped into collections for easy organization. Next, switch to the Collections tab and choose the specific collection you want to edit. You'll see all the posts you've saved within that collection. To start removing items, look for the three dots associated with the collection view and tap on Select. This enables you to pick multiple posts at once. Now you can choose the post you want to remove. Tap each post to mark it for removal, or tap multiple posts until you've selected everything you want to delete. With your selections made, look for the option Remove from Saved and tap it. A confirmation prompt will appear, so confirm your choice to finalize the removal. If you'd like to continue cleaning up, repeat these steps for any other collections. Removing posts from saved collections doesn't delete the posts from Instagram itself. It simply removes them from your saved list so your feed stays uncluttered and easier to browse. A few tips to keep things smooth. Organize your collections with meaningful names so you can spot which posts you want to keep or purge. Regularly reviewing saved items can prevent your collection from becoming a storage drawer you never open. And if you ever change your mind, you can always resave posts later without losing the original content. That's all there is to it. You've learned a straightforward method to declutter your Instagram saved collections, keeping your favorites handy while shedding the rest. If you have a collection you're particularly proud of or a tricky setup you're trying to manage, share your experience in the comments and I can tailor tips to your exact setup.